yourself trimmed and happy. And then we'll take a QDM to Pole Hill. First of all, we have to find it and identify it.
Okay.
Alright, matey. So let's
I've never done any of this.
Oh, you haven't? Okay, so okay, let's check what frequency we're on. We're on Pole Hill.
Yeah.
We're actually on nav 1 already. And then we'll turn this up.
Helicopter Hotel India HTA.
And we're actually on ID. I'm going to turn that down a little bit. That's it. So that's Pole Hill identified. We can turn that down now, so it doesn't distract us. We'll just take the radio back up there. And now we can find it. So what I want you to do, I'm going to put this in. I want you to find the 2 and what the QDM is for Pole Hill. So just wind it.
From at the moment.
From, yeah. So you want, first of all, you want to get a 2 on the arrow.
We've got the 2.
Keep going. So that's still not sure. Keep going to 2. Right, and then you want to turn it in, say, 30-degree batches and see the needle move. Yeah, so turn it to 60 and wait. Turn it to, now it's coming very close. So wait. Now you can fine tune. In fact, you're almost there, aren't you? Wow, look at that. So fine tune it so we're along the line. Great, so it looks like about 055, so you can set that on your bug and then turn onto it.
We're departing to the northwest, climbing to altitude 1,500 feet, request safety service.
So obviously we're going to overshoot it a little bit, which is fine.
Inbound from the northwest, reported 1,700 feet, Cessna 150.
So you're doing your rate 1 turn.
Yep.
A nice balanced rate 1 turn.
Golf Echo Romeo, there's 2 aircraft recently departed.
And then go on 5-5 and let's see what happens. So are we to the left or the right of the line currently?
The aeroplane is the circle, is it?
That's correct, yeah.
So we are to the left.
That's right.
Of the line. So do we need to decrease a bit?
So what I would do is I'd leave that as it is. Leave the line. Let's join the line. Yeah. So maybe assume 070. That's it. So use your heading bug for your selection. If you keep messing with that, you're all over the place. The best thing to do is get somewhere near, leave it, and then try and get on that line and stay on it. Yeah. And just use your heading bug for your selections. So if you just hold that, you're on 080 now, and let's see where that goes. I'm going to do nearest to on here, the pole, so that we know the distance. We're 10.8, so that far away it doesn't behave quickly. And you can see that at 080 we're actually passing through the line a bit, so it's probably got a little bit too much.
Okay. So
we can say assume 065. Yeah. Let's turn on to 065. I'll keep your watch outside as well.
Thank you.
Yeah. And then hold 065.
Hello, it's Helimed 75 Alpha, EC135, helicopter to zero board, just outside.
Now if the needle keeps moving out, we're going to have to go beyond. We might have to come to 055, let's see. It's not coming in to 055, maybe go a little bit further out. This is bracket in the drift. Well, first of all, we're just getting on the line, and then once you're on the line, then you can start homing in on some fine tuning. We've still got 9.3 nautical miles to go.
But at the moment it's still showing on the left. It's come in a bit though.
Yeah.
050?
050, try that. So what we want to do is first of all we want to see it move.
Well, that's gone beyond 050.
That's okay.
That's on 040 now.
What we'll do, once that comes into the line, I would then assume the QDM again of 055 and then see which way it drifts.
Okay.
Yeah, so stay till it comes in. It's coming in. It's a bit sluggish, this one, isn't it?
Yeah.
And what you can do, if you want, you can use 30 degree, 45 degree, or even 90 degree intercepts when you're far away.
Right.
You know, but the 90 degree intercept, you will overshoot it if you don't turn early.
If you don't turn early.
Yeah, as you would imagine. Yeah. So 7.2.
Change tanks.
Yep. So let's do 020 and let's bring the line in, and then we'll turn. Then what we'll do is turn back onto QDM once we get the line till it becomes like nearly one deflection, and then turn back onto it because it's not behaving very well. It's not coming in against it. So basically we're balancing the drift. Right. Hold it there. Yeah. Now that should come in. We are getting closer to it, so it'll start reacting a bit quicker. Right, that's definitely coming in now. Let it come to 1 dot.
How do I know 1 dot?
You see the dots? You just look at it. There's 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
The vertical dots.
Right. So turn now onto 055. Yeah.
505. Climb out in the fixed wing circuit up to 1,000 feet.
So turn onto 055. Yeah.
Taxi fuel, go for Lima.
And then we hold it and then see which way it goes. Yeah. So that's pretty good right now. Let's see.
The Helimed departing Delta, looking to cross 26 left to the northeast.
I know we've done it, but I don't know how we've done it.
No, it's all right. You've basically got back on the line. We've got back on QDM. Now what we're looking for is the drift. It looks like we need to have a little bit more right in there. So what's your heading now?
Well, it's 055.
Right.
Across the runway towards the northeast.
At the moment, that seems to be.
So
You're slightly going to the left, so we need to have a small change to the right. We are getting very close now, so it will react. So just do a small 5 degree to the right, and then hold that, and let's see the flip flop.
060.
Yep. And let's see the flip flop. Hold 060 now. And don't worry about it now. When you're close, you let it go, basically. Right. And just watch it go from to from.
To from.
Yeah.
Good afternoon.
And in fact, we should be able to see it.
Cross runway 31, taxi to hold at Alpha 3.
It should be down on our left. You'll see it. So just hold 060 now. So because we're that close, because we're like 2.7.
Yeah. Oh, it's going.
It's going to flip. Yeah, it's fine. It will go sideways and come back again when it flips. Yeah. If you try chasing it, you end up all over the place. So when you get within sort of 2.5 kilometres, don't even bother. 2.5 miles. Nautical miles. Let's hold that one there. So it should be just down on our left now. Down, you should be able to see it. Maybe half a kilometre.
I've got it.
You got it?
Yep.
Perfect. So we'll just go a little bit beyond it, and then what I'm going to do is give you a QDR, a radial to follow. Yep. So we can choose this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give
the radio is when you're going away from it, isn't it?
That's right. So we'll just get past it, and then I'm going to set, let's do a QDR of 265. Basically what we're going to do is simulate a join. Yeah.
Okay.
Because we're now north of Pole Hill. There's Burnley. We're not too far away. You're right for time, aren't you? I'm going to take, so that's from. Just going to look at where we are from at the moment. We should be somewhere to the northwest of Pole Hill, yeah? And there we are, we're to the northwest.
Oh, right.
Pole Hill, right? Yeah, that's behind us now, because that's from.
Yeah.
Go Echo Delta, thank you. Runway 26 left, circuit right hand, QSE is 1022.
Left to the right hand circuit, QSE 1022.
So, if we make a joining angle now, so 265, if we can now reduce that angle, we can join the line. Yeah. So if let's take off, say, 40 degrees and go 225. Yeah. And then assume that heading. So that should now make us join that line. There's that 265 line. We're up here. We're now doing that, and we should be able to join the line, and then we're going to go on the line. Yeah. So we're to the right of the line now. So there's from to the right of the line. This is all looking good, right? So if you now hold 225, you're going beyond it. Yep. Yep. And let's watch this fella come in. And then once she comes to 1 dot, I would then assume the QDM, which is 265, and then try and make small adjustments and stay on that line. Yeah. And this should take us back towards Bolton and Winter Hill. once we're on it. So we're now joining it with, what, 40 degrees?
Yeah.
So, yeah. What a day.
It's quite an interesting thing, just looking at the instruments and trying to keep everything aligned.
Yeah.
But it's very minute movements, isn't it? It's not like...
yeah, it's finger and thumb.
Yeah.
So there's none of this. It's literally one, and the main thing is to get your trim right so that you're not fighting it. You know, once your trim's right, you're almost out. It gives you more brain capacity, if you like. Right, she's coming in. So get ready to turn right on 265. I would turn now onto 16. So make your turn and turn on you to 265.
We've
gone through it. That's okay. So what you can do, you can say turn on to 280. Keep going, keep turning to the right. We've now gone through the line. Yeah. You keep turning.
Oh, I should have turned earlier, should I?
Yeah, it came in fast, that's alright. We are 3.4, so we're fairly close to it, you see. That's okay. So maybe 285, that's it. Hold it there. And then it should come back in quickly. You see now we're to the left of the line, that's right. So we're getting ready to turn to the left again on QDM when that comes in. Yeah, brilliant. Good demonstration of how fast it moves.
Yeah.
And it's always good to know how far you are away, because that will tell you about this. So turn to the left now, onto 265. Beautiful. Right, hold 265 and let's see what happens. And we'll see which way it goes. It looks like it's slightly drifting to the right, isn't it?
It does, doesn't it?
So
yeah.
270. Assume 270. And when you make that change, to remember what you last decided, I'd use the heading book. It's great, so you'd have to write it down. Yeah.
Golf Foxtrot, Golf departing to northwest, 1,500 feet, to hold an industrial space, request basic service.
Golf Foxtrot, Golf.
So we're now following a line coming off at 265.
Right, so because that's there, it's from, isn't it?
It is, that's right, yep, that's right. But this is a radial way of going along. And you're exactly right, that's the airplane, this is the line.
Yeah, so we're still a bit right.
We're a little bit right, we're a little bit to the left of the
right.
line, yeah. So just keep it on 270 or 275 if you want to make it, get onto it. And then you hold it. The thing is you have to give it time. Time to come in. No planes in the vicinity, you can see. Right, so obviously there's some wind drift there, yeah.
It's from 294.
Helicopter 13. Free call Walton radar. Thanks very much for the visit.
We're still a little bit to the right. Left of track, yeah?
Looks like it's coming in slowly.
Oh, does
so,
it?
I mean, you know,
being a bit...
how aggressive you want to be is up to you. I mean, so now it's going to behave slower. The further away we get, the slower it behaves. Yeah. So you might need a more aggressive when you get further away to join the line. So I'll tell you what. Why don't we do Manchester back to?
Okay.
Yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to press
it. The windmill's off on our left, yeah.
I'm going to press this. Manchester's already in. Let's switch over to Manchester. Flip flop. Now we're going to listen to Manchester to make sure it's there. We press ID, yeah, and then turn the volume up.
Arrival runway 23 right.
That's Manchester, so we'll just turn the volume down. That's all we need to do. Press ID, get rid of ID. And now do a QDM2, so use that to find out where Manchester is, and then we can steer for it. Yeah. In fact, my advice would be to put on 2. Oh, in fact, yeah, no, that's fine. That's fine. So right now, Manchester is on a QDM of about 1. So we're turning. So we have to, when we fly straight, that's when you can really tell. So it's about 170, right? About 170. So you could assume 170 now and fly direct to Manchester, yeah? Why don't we do that? And once we get closer, we can see Barton and peel off. But if you have 153 set, Manchester, the line goes through Barton.
Through Barton?
Yeah. So you could actually track, I've done it through Cloud, descending through Cloud, down to Barton, using this.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And it's Barton is 8.3, so let's do direct to. What I'm going to do is activate Barton. Direct to recent Barton. Direct to. Okay, that's great.
So we'll change the lines again. Oh, it's hard work, isn't it?
You're sweating. You've done brilliant, mate. This is fantastic. Yeah,
but I'm only following your
it's fine.
your things, aren't I?
That's you heading. So what we can do, we can now go for the 153. So we are to the left of the line, aren't we?
Yeah.
So if we turn towards Winter Hill, to the right, so I'd say that's probably around about 230. Let's join this line, and then we're lined up with Barton, and when that's 8.3, that'll be in the middle, and you're over Barton.
Wow.
Yeah. So if ever you're looking south and you can't see anything, this is perfect.
Yeah.